Hi, welcome to Been There, Done That Travel, and we are about to take our train ride to Aguas Calientes. Well, this is coming in through the city area, and as you can see, there's several cars behind us, and there's several cars in front of us. You can get someone to take you up here. We paid approximately 15 soles a piece for each one of us, for a total of 30 soles to get up here to this destination. And as you get through, they have several different trains, all different types of trains. It depends on who your carrier is that's going to be taking you up to Aguas Caliente. And so as you look to the left here, that's Inca Rail. They have Peru Rail. They have several different train that will be leaving from this particular area. I had to stop and look at this beautiful water just coming through here. It was, the weather was pretty good. It wasn't really rainy or anything, but like I stated before, when you come to Peru, just be prepared for the different changes in weather. One second it could be raining, and the next second it could be sunny, and the next second it could be a little chilly, or it could be hot. Also, they have a nice little waiting area where you can sit down, and you can also purchase something to drink or get something to eat. But it's nice accommodations to sit down. Also, it has free Wi-Fi, so if you wanted to use Wi-Fi, you can use Wi-Fi. They don't have Wi-Fi on the trains. At least the train that we were on didn't have free Wi-Fi. So we had pocket Wi-Fi, so we were cool, but just wanted to put that out there. The trains do have restrooms, and they're pretty comfortable, as you can see a little bit later in this video.
Located in the front and back of the coach. For your own safety, please do not open the emergency windows during the ride.
So we have made it on our train, and we have started on our ride to Aguas Caliente. We have a see-through roof, and on the left-hand side you can see that most people in South America, they grow their own crops. As you can see, they grow corn and all different types of fruits and vegetables. Pretty self-sufficient in a lot of ways, and so that's just the norm, just to see a lot of crops like that. And corn is one of the main things that is grown. On the right hand side, you may see a little bit later, there is like a river water running parallel with the train, and unfortunately I was on this side. And then on the way back, I was also on this side, so I wasn't able to get any of that footage. It was really beautiful and fantastic just to be able to see that water just gushing and flowing down the river like that. We really enjoyed our train ride up. It was really comfortable. The train we were on, it could have had a little bit more leg room. You have the individuals that are sitting right across from you. But for the most part, they do have a place where you could put your backpacks and luggage and things where it's either above you, or they had another little area in the back where you could put your belongings. So they also come around. They sell drinks, and you could buy drinks and food and things like that. Okay, you guys, we have made it here one step closer, and this is where you would disembark from your train. We had our Airbnb host meet us here. So,
Okay.
whew.
Set menu, just 20 sold the set menu.